Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's the first video in April. It's Tuesday the 5th. Just looking, it's a lovely breeze today. Just looking at the weeds here that need doing. My beautiful privet hedge, up and down. Beautiful little pink flowers here. Look at those, gorgeous. As we look from the top, coming in my fuchsia, if you can see that, just bursting into life. Hollyhocks down there. We come round, a bit breezy today, but apart from that, looking fine. Another beautiful hollyhock. This is a perennial geranium, beautiful pink variety. My lilies there, just coming through. My daylilies here. As we come down here a little bit further, ostrich just coming through, which is great. Another daylily, and then we come down here. It's a beautiful lily here, nice beautiful flowers, scented as well. And here we have a beautiful lupin that was grown from seed last year. This will be the first year it's actually in the border, ready to flower. That's what you want to keep off. Just look in the middle, that's where they tend to hide, the little blighters, but they'll get sprayed. Here we have one of my poppies, Papavera somniferum. Beautiful primulas. I just love the flowers on these. Wow, they're gorgeous. Come down here, some more primulas there, just there, and these are self-seeded, and I've just moved them over here. Beautiful piece of light. Come round. The lawn needs ready for cutting. It's already had its first cut a few weeks ago when it was warm. My beautiful carnation, beautiful pink here. I've got growing here. Probably dig it up and split that. Yep. See, if I dig that there, I'm sure I'll get 2 plants out of that. And then I've got another one here. That's been layered. A way of taking cuttings. What you do, you cover it with soil or compost, tie it down, and then after a few months, it produces roots, and then you can dig it up. This primula, wow, look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. Love that. Bleeding heart, dicentra. This is the white Alba variety that has never really grown very well. Next to that we have another poppy, Papavera somniferum. I've got one there, and there's one there as well. But unfortunately, the slugs and snails, probably planted 7 or 8 around here. I've had a field day with them, unfortunately. But I've had a couple that survived, which is great. We come round here, we have Japanese anemone there, and then we have beautiful here. I'll have to cut these back. Beautiful peony, which is a great colour. And then just above that, I should have growing somewhere. I don't know if I've dug it up or not. Just here, just there it is. This is just in there. There is a delphinium there that I'm going to dig up probably today and move it because it's just too much competition for it. My beautiful daffodils, absolutely gorgeous. This Easter bonnet there. And then we have some more hollyhocks. These aqualegias are great. They need spraying. You can see that's powdery mildew on there and rust on the hollyhocks. Another beautiful delphinium here. This is a dwarf variety that I've grown from seed, and we come round. Another gorgeous, gorgeous old-fashioned daffodil. And then we come here, we have this beautiful peony there, and a hollyhock, which I'm going to cut back just to give that a bit more room. It'll flower a little bit later, that's the only difference then. And then we have up here, beautiful clematis. It's really looking absolutely gorgeous, but nice bird feeders there. We come round here, we have an oriental poppy that's called Diane Joyce. That's one that I've grown from seed myself, my own variety. Aqualegias, daylilies, all the way through there. Down here, look at this aqualegias now. It's producing flower stems. We come round here, we have Icelandic poppies there. Some tulips, beautiful. We have forget-me-nots just starting to flower, which are absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Look at those, man. Absolutely divine, aren't they? Absolutely divine. And then another peony, which flowers absolutely stunningly. And that poppy's really dug in there and growing really well. Another one there. And then another one just there that's really taken off. And then we have 3 delphiniums, all grown from seed, all dwarf varieties. I cannot remember, I think one's white. And then we have another lupin here grown from seed. So this will be the first year it's flowered in the border. And this dicentra bleeding heart, which is absolutely outstanding. Dandelion there, this needs weeding here. And then we have a hollyhock, I think it's white, beautiful white or cream colour that. But it's getting absolutely hammered. Caterpillar damage that. And then we have next to it, this beautiful, absolutely beautiful primula. And then next to that, let's pull these up. Beautiful lupin, which will be flowering in a few weeks. I always forget the name of this. I've had it a few years now, and for the life of me, every time I come to it, just forget it. Here's a beautiful red and white penstemon. This has survived really well. I have got a Aqualegia next to it, which is not really bothering it. It's grown really well. Then we come on to my pots. Yep, so that's a foxglove there. Next to it, agapanthus, which is great. This had dahlias in it last year, and petunias. So hopefully something will grow out of those. And these are mine. This is called Queen Mum, this one. And those are highborn, hybrant varieties. Hopefully they'll flower nice this year. This is the 3rd year for these. So I am hoping that I'm going to pot these on. I'm going to get some nice flowers off it this year. This is my 1st year. I'm hoping for some really stunning varieties. So these. So yeah, these agapanthus. Hopefully I'm going to have some beautiful flowers on those. Here we have, it's called Clotted Cream, this. Beautiful scented climber. I cut it back late last year after it flowered. You see all this here, new growth. Even on here, you see it there? On the big stems, I'm getting new growth. Even up there, it's brilliant. And I have a clematis as well growing up there. Here we have the bearded iris. It's beautiful. And then this beautiful delphinium. It's like electric blue. And we have our poppies again. Three here, which is great. They should flower. And we come down here, this is getting absolutely covered in beautiful flowers, this clematis. It's a beautiful purpley blue. Absolutely, it's outstanding. But these down here need tied in, which I'll do a bit later. If we spin round, we have Aqualegias all the way down there. And there are some Icelandic poppies there and there. I might even cut that stem back and force it to do some more of that, but this breeze is absolutely gorgeous. Red hot in my house today. I don't know why. If you come down here, and these are my agapanthus that are all grown from seed. I'll give them a feed and a weed later on. Sit down here, we have my peony in pots. I've transplanted this one about a week ago, 10 days. I've left that one in. Look at the difference. Loving the bigger pots. So I shall transplant this over the next few days. And then I have my silver birch that's self-seeded, which I'm going to take all that tree and plant it just next to the peony there on the right hand side, top of the garden there, top of the border. But this sat in this beautiful breeze is absolutely so refreshing. Up here I have my lilies that suffer with lily beetle, so they need spraying for that. But as long as you keep on top of that, you should get some beautiful flowers out of those. My delphinium there, just a quick pan round, you can see everything. Really pleased with how everything's growing so far this year. If you like my videos, thank you for watching everybody. Please subscribe and like, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.